everybody. Welcome to the 2020 Cooper Communities Classic Golf Tournament. It belongs to the charities. One of the reasons we do this is to support the local charities in the area. We have all kinds of pros learning to be even more than they are from all over the United States. And this year, they've added an extra dimension, and that is that they're bringing women.
The golf tournament is very exciting because this year we have both the women and the men here. This is the first year for that. The actual tournament for the APT players starts on Wednesday. And the women will be at Scottsdale and the men at Country Club. And then once they have the cut, everybody will be at the Country Club.
I've been golfing for about 25 years.
And I've been golfing for about 10 or 12 years, seriously.
The best here at this event is probably watching the professionals and just picking up the little things that they do and the way they go about their business. And all of them that I've ever played with before have fantastic personalities, and it's just a joy and a blessing to be around them.
The host for the event, the Bella Vista Property Owners Association, provided the venue for the tournament and the Lake Point Restaurant and Convention Center for the Pro-Am party and silent auction.
The tournament is a great event because it gives us the opportunity to bring in very talented people to play on our golf courses. So it's great for us to show off our facilities and our golf courses.
The largest sponsor, of course, is Cooper Communities, and we so appreciate that. In addition to that, it's the Bella Vista Foundation that actually puts this on every year. They are the ones that really take good care of the charities and make sure that the charities are getting the benefit from this. So all the funds that are raised, after cost of course, are divided up among the charities that they've selected that year. And this year we have 5. The Bella Vista Boys and Girls Club, the Courtesy Van, the Animal Shelter, Bella Vista Community Television Station, and the Rotary Club.
The silent auction basically was invented for profits to local organizations. So every year we as the board will designate 5 charities, and so then the 5 charities get to split the dollars we make, and each of the 5 charities find donations and teams to play in the event. But then we will split all the proceeds with the profit with the charities, which is great. And every year it's going to be different charities.
So the auction is usually held on the first day of the event, on the Monday before everything happens, and we just get some of the most exciting silent auction items. I think this year we had everything from large baskets of all kinds of wine and spirits, also a grill, and that cool little miniature BMW car that they auctioned off. We really appreciate everybody that contributes to the silent auction.
The Bella Vista Foundation would like to thank the APT Tour for putting on a first-class event, Discover Bella Vista for sponsoring the Pro-Am tournament, and Mercy Medical and Kutak Law Firm as presenting sponsors for the 2020 tournament.
We thank you so much for joining us this year. Please come out and support us next year. And here's how you can do that. You can house a pro, have them stay with you. You can sign up and actually play with a pro. And you can just enjoy watching. You can stand back and be part of the crowd and just make sure that all of our charities are supported by coming to the silent auction and being part of this great event. Thank you so much. Hope to see you next year.